Welcome back to another episode with the Hustling Crafter. I am the Hustling Crafter, Sweet Charity, but you can call me Charity. What are we doing today? Almond milk. Pretty simple. 2 ingredients really, and milk is not one of them. 2 ingredients here. We've got almonds and filtered water. So you will need soaked almonds, 1 cup. 6 cups of filtered water, as we're making a larger batch for the week. And then you will need a nut milk bag, okay? And a jar, something to put your freshly made almond milk into. And then a towel, just in case, because things can get a little messy. And a blender, okay? Put it on, turn it on, it's gonna get loud. So, what we're going to do is turn our blender off. We blended this for 1 minute. We're going to be careful taking the cap off. Oh boy. We got a foamy situation going on here. Okay. We're going to take our milking bag, our nut milk bag. I know it's weird to say, right? But that's what it is. And now we're not going to pour all of it at once, just a bit at a time. And then what I like to do is I like to kind of make the transfer while I'm milking. And as you pour more in there, you're going to have to squeeze. So make sure that your hands are nice and clean before you get started here. You really want to make sure that you hold tight up top here. There's actually a drawstring you can use. I don't do that, but because if you don't hold tight up top, then it's a lot of almond milk everywhere. Almond meal, almond milk. I mean, no one ever cried over spilled almond milk. But maybe they did. I don't know. So what we're left with, got 2 ingredient almond milk. Look at that. See? And there is a layer of foam that's up here, and that will dissipate over time. But this batch of almond milk, 6 cups of it, is good in your refrigerator for up to 7 days, although I doubt it'll last that long. And go ahead and put a lid on that. Anyway, that is how you milk an almond. Not really, but that's how you make almond milk made simple. So anyhow, once again, if you like this video, please show me by thumbs up, and feel free to subscribe to the Hustling Crafter by Sweet Charity. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time. Hustling Crafter.